of the long-standing Kumasi Asante Kotoko targets. He has certainly been on Kumasi Asante Kotoko rather not for quite a long time. A very talented player, Clinton Duodu of Bechem United. Now, my senior man for Busam said, this particular season, Kotoko for the first time, Anko player Nishasi Unity in the 2021 football season. You know, imagine we are seeing now who Clinton Duodu of Bechem United. Now, or imagine, since then, he has been on Kumasi Asante Kotoko rather. Last year, na Kalu Atara mo ifri brekum Chelsea Airba no ni enim senka Clinton Duodu so join Kotoko, but deal no on the last minute ends me and materialize man it na tibe friend Bechem United. And ne information abeto me say Clinton edinani Cyprus na team a yefre no Limassol, Limassol was Cyprus. Ho na okodika subo. I'm told to say one omo I sign contracts until 2027. Yes. Right now you're 2024. So it is going to be 3 years, 2025, 26 and 27 and a contract yeah. Or your boy be or you're very talented and humble. Me penasem pan and until I miss dedicated way the amount as you can see on the screen. Apollon Limassol for no director and the coach. Now unveiling the white and blue jersey. Now white and blue the Chelsea ninti I name more the no more unveiling on the Open Clinton Duodu a hot and our team name Limassol, Apollon Limassol. We wish him all the best. Ho yenti na yenhyɛ so mame ma news kakra Ghana has Ghana Premier League the weekend ya na Saturday first fixture no so na Sunday Krobia Asante Kotoko any Karela no so e dey apem so Accra House of Folk etina nkran na one Basake Holy Stars e dey apem so na we are your house na Accra House of Folk for sending email say omo jesi na ba bonten and the screen so no first day home second year away and a third na I think say third jesi no and a goalkeepers training goalkeepers no so jesi no e wo ho na amanfo busa me say House of Folk for jesi no brand the ben ho na asem no but me am zoom me am nhyeden who brand kro but no matter what it is jesi no efe a crowd of folk here we share mo wo e wo mo season me bomb pie say nyoma be koyi am in the last 4 seasons has in Shasi, but you hope that this time on Shasi, normally Kotoko nyina aba the same level, or compete at the highest level in the league, so that league no made